Okay, so in this video, what we'll do is we'll talk about search engine optimization, keyword research. Keyword research are so important. It's very important to find what people are searching on Google, and then very important is why they are searching about your product and services. Fine, so I'll quickly show you the ways you can do keyword research. One of the way you can do keyword research using Semrush. For example, I want to optimize this page for SEO course in Ahmedabad. I just want to find what people search when they're looking for SEO course, right? So I can go to Semrush, so you can use the software. Go ahead and use the software. So let's say I'm writing SEO course in Ahmedabad. I can also type SEO course as well, no problem. But to be very specific, I'm looking for research queries coming from Ahmedabad. I know people search this SEO course in Ahmedabad. So just type your product and services. You can see that. Let's say SEO course Ahmedabad. I'll be telling you some other methods as well, but SEO course Ahmedabad. So if I search, you can also suggest, you can write, let us check Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So SEO course, or I can search for SEO course. So both the things can be done. Let us search. So let us see what what Semrush is suggesting us. Ahmedabad city. So let us see. So this is one of the way to do keyword research. So let us check keyword research. So you can see that I've used a location which is Ahmedabad. We'll get some details. So next is there are a lot of softwares available which you can use it for keyword research. You can go to Google and search. Let's say, for example, I can search for, let's say, free keyword research tools. There are a lot of softwares available. And I think every software they have, every SEO software, they have this feature of, finding keywords. You can see keyword generator. So let us check keyword generator. This is coming from Ahrefs. Okay, so you can see this is 140 is the volume. This is for Ahmedabad city. Difficulty is 81%. So Semrush is telling it's difficult to rank for this word. These are the search queries for India. Keep this in mind. This is for India. These are the questions. These are some related keywords. And this is SERP. You can see that this is for Ahmedabad city. Okay, I guess this is for Ahmedabad city. Let me check. I think they are showing it for India for SEO course, right? But what I can do is, you can see 140 volume. This is happening for SEO course. If I change it to SEO course in Ahmedabad, let us check. Ahmedabad. You can click on search. You can always try and test. So I'm talking about specifically this word, which is SEO course in Ahmedabad. So let us check what Semrush is suggesting. Okay, so we'll get data in some time. So meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll go to next software, which is Ahrefs, and I can put, let's say, SEO course in Ahmedabad. You can also search product and services here. Make sure you select right country, in this case India. I'll click on find keywords. This is interesting. So you can see that SEO course in the 350 search volume, last updated on 20. So I'm getting three keywords. Phrase match means I'm searching for SEO course in Ahmedabad. You can say SEO course in Ahmedabad, SEO course in Ahmedabad, SEO course in Ahmedabad. Phrase is matching, and these are the questions that people ask. So probably this is a free tool, and that's why I'm not getting most of the data. Let us go here. 390 is the volume. Keyword difficulty is 20%. It's easy to rank. This is what Semrush is telling me. SEO course in Ahmedabad, and you can see that this is search engine result page. So you can see brandveda coming at number 2 position as of now. And okay, these are some page authority score. So if I want to do keyword research, what I'm going to do is I'll click here and I'm going to find all 11 keywords. So you can see that these are all keywords what people are searching from Ahmedabad. Keep this in mind. We have selected location as Ahmedabad, and you can see the SEO course Ahmedabad. This is the most searched word, 480. SEO training course in Ahmedabad, 50. SEO course and digital marketing training in Ahmedabad, this is 30. Best SEO course in Ahmedabad, only 10 monthly search volume. Or digital marketing course and SEO training in Ahmedabad. SEO course fees in Ahmedabad. SEO training and digital marketing course in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, 10. SEO training course in Ahmedabad, this is 10. So now you can see that these all are your keywords when someone is searching for SEO course Ahmedabad. These are related words. I can find questions also, what questions people are asking. So we are not finding any details. We'll go to all. This is exact match, which is SEO course Ahmedabad. This is SEO course Ahmedabad. So best 10 and 480. Nice. They have checked this keyword 2 weeks back. We can always click here and we can update this. These are related words to SEO course in Ahmedabad. Let us check what Semrush is showing. So, okay, SEO classes near me, SEO courses near me, SEO training institute, SEO training institute near me. This is training institute in Ahmedabad. Probably this is not right because someone is only typing training institute in Ahmedabad. Fine. So you can see that these are all volume, which is important. And you can see that all these 10 search queries, they have a collective volume of 2490, which is huge. If I combine all 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and you can see that how many results they do have. This is a volume. This is, SEO course, how this is related to this word, 80%. This is 5. This is volume. And you can see that this is keyword difficulty. Okay, so you can see that these are all keywords, total volume 2490. You can see this is the volume. This is the trend. It means how this word is trending. We'll talk about Google Trends. It's an amazing software to find, what people are searching, what keywords are trending. You can see that this is going up. You can see that this is going up. It's a Digital Marketing Institute Ahmedabad. You can see this is a sign going up. You can see that this is again going up, which is SEO Training Institute near me. This is, okay, this is somewhat going down, right? So we can find from trend. This is keyword difficulty. We'll talk, this is keyword difficulty. What they're telling me is for SEO training in Ahmedabad, you'll need quality content, best SEO course. You need to have a lot of backlinks. So if you want to rank for this word, you need to create a good content, and then you need to have a lot of different domains. You will need quality content focused on keyword intent. Intention is king. So this is just an example to tell you which of the words are easy to rank. So let's say, for example, SEO training institute near me, your chance to start ranking new pages. It's very easy, it's showing, but I'll tell you that near me, SEO course near me, these are very generic but very important because someone is very close and they're looking for your businesses. So this is all cost per click. So you can see that this is average price in USD advertiser pay for user click on ad. This is from Google Ads. So this will tell you, which all words are costly, where competitors are bidding on this word and they want to run advertisement on search engine. This is the level of competition between, okay, so this is competition, so straight away, I can tell you this is, you can see 0 to 1, 1 being the most difficult to rank for. So it's difficult to rank for this. You can see that. So this is difficult. This is 0.25. So this is just an example. And they're also giving me, when someone search for SEO training and what all results come. So there's a set of links of other page of website that displayed under main organic search. It's a list of FAQs. Okay, organic search. This is list of related pages, image pack. So let me check. So let's say if I search for SEO training in the bath, let's say SEO training, I'll put exact word SEO training Ahmedabad, training Ahmedabad. If I search this, you can see this is an ad. Okay, you can see that we are getting some FAQs. You can see FAQs. These are organic results. Okay, and then we are getting this also. So you can see I'm not seeing any images of now here. FAQs. So this is important. So this is just an example. How this is, Semrush is giving us the data. So fine. So next video, I'll talk more about this.